Hey guys, a very quick unboxing and review of the Klein Tools um, Tamperproof bit set with the screwdriver. The model is 32510. Klein Tools. It's called magnetic screwdriver with 32-piece tamper-proof bit set. Comes in a nice clamshell packaging, like all Klein screwdrivers nowadays. They're kind of more prone to, let's call it bad acting here and there. So I've been looking for tamper-proof bits for quite a while and found out that Klein has a pretty good deal. At this particular one is from Home Depot. So this set contains all the tamper-proof bits that I can normally find, that I may normally require and need. So that's it. The screwdriver is the more modern type. They do pretty much everything right now with this parkerized, or what they call it. It's a phosphorized base substance that really prevents rust in a very good way. Magnetic. Come on, focus. That's a magnetic. Let me just zoom in a little bit. That's a magnetic holder. Pretty much standard size bits. Yep. Yep. Magnetic screwdriver. I never had problems with Klein bits, except the smallest one, the Torx, and I didn't use it correctly. I used Torx on incorrectly used Torx bolt, and I kind of stripped the head here. Never had problems with any of the other bits. So most importantly, let's go through the content here. 6, 8, 10 of the star shaped, the Mercedes sign shaped 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4, 6, 8, and 10 of the 2-prong type. Yep. Then 3/22, 7/64, 1/8, 9/64, 5/32 most commonly used, 3/18 hex with a hole inside. Yep, you can find those in a lot of places. Plus, you can always use the hex. It's strong enough to put more pressure in it. It has enough meat there to withstand even heavier loads. What else? Yeah, T7, T8, T10, T15, T20, 25, 7, 27, 30, and 40 of this type. Yeah, those are perfect for playgrounds and any kind of safety tamper-proof bolts. So you got pretty much everything that you need. You also have this head, quarter inch head for any kind of other sockets. So perfect size. In addition to that, I don't see anything else worth noting. Basically, it has pretty much everything in terms of tamper-proof bits. In addition to that, you get a standard, you know, 1/4-inch socket here. Can take a lot of beating, and of course, nice and compact for carry together, for putting it in toolbox. As you see, they don't fall out. Very good retention, although not too hard to pull out, but enough friction so that they just don't spill around. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.